Welcome to the best picks. The best Ring Light Cordless is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to elevate their content creation game, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber, a budding influencer, or simply someone who wants to look their best on video calls. This innovative lighting solution offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to achieve professional quality illumination without being tethered by cords, making it perfect for on-the-go shoots or any space where power outlets are scarce. Its portability and ease of use mean you can set up perfect lighting in seconds, ensuring your audience always sees you in the best possible light. Number 5. Benreom Rechargeable Vanity Lights. Achieve perfect makeup application with our adjustable LED lights. You can easily customize the color temperature and brightness with simple controls. The bright, non-dazzling light ensures comfort even during long makeup sessions. Our magnetic vanity light can be adjusted in any direction, ensuring you find the perfect angle for your makeup. It illuminates every detail of your face, making your routine more professional and beautiful. Enjoy a clutter-free experience with our cordless, rechargeable design. A quick 2 to 3 hour charge via USB Type-C provides long-lasting power. Its compact and lightweight build makes it ideal for travel. Installation is a breeze with our no-drill, no-wiring system. You can set up this lighting solution in seconds, making it a safe and convenient addition to your routine. This multifunctional light is perfect for makeup, fill light, decoration, and even shooting. It also makes a wonderful gift for any special occasion. What we like? If you're looking for a versatile light that sticks anywhere, this is it. Its magnetic design and cordless operation make it perfect for renters or anyone who wants easy, flexible placement. You can adjust the color and brightness to get the perfect lighting for makeup or even as a decorative accent. What people say. The ring light is cordless and has 3 brightness settings. It's easy to attach to my phone and provides good lighting for videos. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 4. Datarm Rechargeable Soft Selfie Light. Surprise your loved ones with this stylish and practical light. It's perfect for anyone who loves taking photos, from teens on TikTok to professionals on YouTube. Experience softer, more uniform illumination. This light uses advanced technology to provide a comfortable lighting experience, protecting your eyes from harsh glare. Achieve the perfect look with 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels. Easily match your skin tone and adapt to any lighting situation for stunning photos and videos. Enjoy up to 14 hours of use on a single charge. It conveniently recharges via Type-C, providing reliable power for all your creative needs, anytime, anywhere. Easily attach it to your device with a secure clip featuring a soft silicone pad. Adjust the angle freely for the perfect shot, whether your phone is horizontal or vertical. This accessory is universally compatible with phones, cameras, laptops, and more. It's the ideal addition for enhancing your selfies, videos, and video conferences. What we like? For content creators on the go, this portable clip-on light is a game changer. It provides soft, eye-friendly illumination that's perfect for selfies, vlogs, or video calls. If you need a quick lighting upgrade for your phone or laptop anywhere, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The ring light has 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels, which is great for different lighting needs. It's cordless and rechargeable, making it easy to use anywhere without being tied to an outlet. The clip design is sturdy and fits securely on my laptop and monitor. Number 3. Evershop 5 LED Ring Light. Meet the new standard in video conferencing lighting. This innovative ring light is designed to enhance your presence in any online meeting or call. Tired of flimsy clips? Our upgraded stand features a unique horizontal plate that securely fits various screen types, ensuring a stable and screen-friendly setup. This device offers a complete solution, allowing you to position your phone or tablet directly on the stand. It's perfect for hands-free video calls, ensuring you always look your best. Powered by USB, it's incredibly easy to use anywhere. Its compact and lightweight design makes it your perfect companion for work, travel, or on-the-go content creation. Choose from 3 lighting colors and 30 brightness levels to find your perfect look. With exceptional color accuracy, it ensures your true-to-life skin tones always shine through. Its flexible structure allows for easy folding and rotation, helping you achieve the ideal angle every time. Enjoy a premium build designed for your convenience. What we like. If you need a stable, desktop lighting solution for work or content creation, consider this option. Its unique adjustable stand securely attaches to laptops and monitors, offering a clutter-free setup. It's perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time on video calls or needs consistent lighting for their workspace. What people say. The ring light is cordless and has 3 brightness settings. It is very portable and easy to use, perfect for on the go. The light is bright and provides even illumination for photos and videos. Number 2. Weilisi 10.5 Ring Light with Tripod. Experience lighting like never before with our innovative full-screen design. It offers a larger light-emitting surface for brighter, more uniform illumination, ensuring you always look your best from any angle. Our advanced technology provides softer, more natural light that enhances your features and protects your eyes. Achieve a beautiful, 3-dimensional look effortlessly. Tailor your lighting with 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. Whether it's warm, natural, or cool light, you'll find the perfect setting for any situation. This versatile tripod extends from 39 to 69 inches, made from durable aluminum to meet all your height requirements. It also features a standard mount for easy attachment. Capture perfect shots from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. It's compatible with most smartphones, making selfies and group photos a breeze. The adjustable phone holder rotates 360 degrees and securely fits most smartphones. Easily capture stunning photos and videos from any angle you desire. From video recording and live streaming to makeup and video calls, this light is your ultimate companion. Use it for YouTube, TikTok, and so much more, indoors or out. What we like. For those who need comprehensive lighting for professional shoots or detailed work, this large ring light with a tripod is an excellent choice. Its full-screen design provides bright, soft, and uniform light, ideal for makeup artists, streamers, or anyone requiring high-quality illumination. If you're looking for a complete setup that offers flexibility and professional results, this is it. What people say. The ring light is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels. It's cordless and portable, making it easy to use anywhere. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 1. NEEWER 20-inch LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the NEEWER 20-inch LED Ring Light Kit, your ultimate solution for professional lighting. This kit is designed to enhance your photos and videos, making your content stand out. Featuring a large 20-inch design with 352 energy-saving SMB LED beads, it provides beautiful, catch light effects for striking visuals. Easily adjust the color temperature and brightness to achieve the perfect look. Enjoy the freedom of dual power options, including a DC adapter or rechargeable Li-ion batteries. With 2 batteries and a USB charger included, you can shoot wirelessly and on the go with convenience. This comprehensive kit includes a heavy-duty metal light stand, a versatile ball head adapter, and a 360-degree rotatable phone holder. Everything you need for stable and adaptable shooting is right here. Perfect for a wide range of uses, from makeup tutorials and portrait photography to YouTube videos, live streaming, and product displays. Elevate your work in beauty salons, barber shops, and more. The kit comes complete with all essential accessories, including batteries, a charger, adapters, and a convenient carrying case for the ring light. Get ready to create professional quality content right out of the box. What we like. If you're setting up a dedicated studio space for YouTube, makeup tutorials, or professional photography, this large ring light kit is ideal. It offers a substantial 20-inch diameter for broad illumination and comes with a sturdy stand and all necessary accessories. The dual power options, AC adapter or battery, make it versatile for both studio and on-location shoots. What people say. The ring light is very bright and has multiple color temperature settings, which is great for different lighting needs. The cordless design makes it easy to move around and set up anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. It comes with a remote control for adjusting brightness and color, making it convenient to use during shoots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.